the importance of practicing breathing through your nose, out through your mouth, and using your diaphragm. So breathe in, right? Push your stomach out, then breathe out, pull your stomach in, tighten up. So the pause doesn't have to be written into the part with the flow. The pause can be written right before you start to do the run. But how you take your breath before you start the run is important. What you got to do is get in the habit of being conscious of practicing your verse that way. When I do that, the flow I did yesterday, him and we're not gonna speak it so we can hook up a meeting that whatever spot we frequent a weekend, just spend a weekend the speaking and creeping, no sleeping, keeping the burden, just we can hit it on what you're teaching. In other words, all I need you to hear what I'm speaking so we can hook up a meeting. Whatever spot you frequent a weekend, just spend a weekend, speaking and creeping, no sleeping.
Work on your eye contact
yes.
and command the whole room and stay still. You can do that.